In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a master project in Microsoft Project. A master project is a single, high-level file that brings multiple individual project files together so you can see timelines, task structures, and overall progress in one place. This is especially helpful when you're coordinating work across teams or phases and want a unified view without merging or duplicating data. Before we start, make sure the individual project files you plan to include are saved and accessible, ideally with clear names and a consistent folder location. You'll also want your master project file open in Microsoft Project. If you're using a blank file as the master, that's perfectly fine. It simply becomes the container for your sub-projects. Begin on the ribbon at the top of the screen and go to the Project tab. This tab is where you manage high-level project functions, including inserting other projects. If you don't see it at first glance, it's right alongside tabs like Task, Resource, and View. Next, select Subproject. This command tells Microsoft Project that you want to bring an existing project file into the one you currently have open. When you click it, a standard file browser opens so you can point to the project you want to include. In the file browser, navigate to the folder where your project files are stored. Browse and select the project file you want to bring into your master. For example, a file like Project A MPP. Take a moment to confirm you're picking the correct version and location, especially if your team keeps multiple iterations. Clear naming conventions and organized folders make this step faster and reduce mistakes later. Once you've highlighted the right file, click Insert. Microsoft Project will place that entire project into your master as a single summary line that represents the sub-project, with all of its tasks and structure nested underneath. You'll see that it fits directly into your current timeline and outline without copying tasks. It references the existing file. That means when the underlying project is updated by its owner, the master can reflect those changes, helping you keep a reliable, consolidated view. That's all it takes to build a master project. Go to the Project tab, choose Subproject, browse to the right MPP file, and click Insert. You can follow the same process whenever you're ready to include additional project files. With this setup, you gain a cleaner way to coordinate work, understand dependencies at a high level, and communicate progress across your entire program, all while keeping each contributing project maintained by the teams who own them.